say to people, choose your colour palette and then go nuts. Once you've chosen that, and you know,
that's a good tip.
Yeah, you can, if you stick within those things, and then you know there's a 60-30-10 rule.
60-30-10 rule.
In you choose one colour that you use 60% of,
okay,
which will be your most dramatic colour. So not dramatic colour, I should say. In this instance, if we look around this apartment, our 60 colour is white.
Yes.
Because we've got it on the walls, we've got it in so many places. And then you would say our 30 colour is going more into these natural taupe,
yeah,
and all those different layers of that sort of colour. And then our 30 colour is green. And so you just see small pops of green. And that can be any colour, and that can be any colour palette. But if you stick with that rule, it's like people say, well, I really love purple. It doesn't mean you can't have purple in the space, but to me, purple would definitely be
purple's not your 60.
It's definitely